This video explains how to access Android recovery mode on various Android devices, what actions you can take in recovery mode, and how to resolve issues if you're stuck in it. Part 1. What's Android System Recovery Mode? Android System Recovery Mode is a tool for troubleshooting Android issues. It allows you to fix problems by accessing various options. While not needed regularly, it's essential when your phone malfunctions or appears unresponsive, helping to restore it to working condition. Part 2. How to get to Android System Recovery. There are several ways to get to Android Recovery Mode, but it depends on the model of your device. 2.1. Enter Android Recovery Mode on Google Pixel and Motorola devices. Step 1. Power off your Pixel phone by pressing the power button. Step 2. Tap the volume down and power keys for seconds. Your smartphone will get to another page. Step 3. Use the volume keys to choose recovery mode and confirm it by hitting power. As the Android robot shows up, press the volume up and power keys at the same time. Then your device is in recovery mode. 2.2. Enter Android System Recovery on OnePlus devices. Step 1. Turn off your OnePlus phone, then press and hold the volume down and power buttons till the OnePlus logo appears on the screen. Step 2. Unlock your device and choose a language. Then you will see 3 options: wipe data and cache, advanced, and exit. Now you are in recovery mode and can choose what you want for your device. 2.3. Enter ZTE Recovery Mode. Step 1. Switch off your ZTE phone first. Push volume down and power keys for a few seconds, and release them when seeing the ZTE logo. Step 2. Now the phone is in recovery mode, and you can get 4 options: reboot system, wipe data, power off, and advanced options. 2.4. Get to Android System Recovery on LG phones. LG devices have a different method of getting into recovery mode. Just hold the right keys and release them at the right time. Step 1. After turning off your phone, press the power plus volume down button simultaneously. Step 2. Release them immediately after you see the LG logo. Then long press the keys again. Hold the power key till you enter the recovery mode. 2.5. Get into Android System Recovery on Samsung phones. If your Samsung phone has a Bixby button, please follow this tutorial. Step 1. Turn your phone off first and then press and hold the volume up, Bixby, and power buttons, and let go when the Samsung logo appears. Step 2. Wait for the device to get to recovery mode. On those Samsung devices without a Bixby button, you can use these steps. Step 1. Connect your Samsung phone to your computer via Type-C USB cable. Step 2. Press and hold volume down and side buttons to turn off your phone. Step 3. After that, hit volume, up and side keys and don't release them until you see the Samsung logo on the screen. Now, you get to the Android recovery screen. Part 3. What can you do in Android System Recovery Mode? Android System Recovery Mode provides several options for troubleshooting and managing your device. 1. Factory Reset and Wipe Data. Erases all data, ideal for selling or securing your phone. 2. Reboot System. Restarts your phone in normal mode after recovery tasks. 3. Apply Updates. Install updates from an SD card or via ADB. 4. Reboot to bootloader. Access bootloader mode for flashing files. 5. Remove cache partition. Clear all cache data quickly. 6. Power off. Turns off the device without restarting. 7. Check recovery logs. View logs to diagnose issues. 8. Mount system. Access core files to modify system settings or install new apps. Part 4. How to fix Android stuck in recovery mode. If you're stuck in recovery mode, try a hard reset, but be aware it will erase all your data. To perform it, hold the volume up and power buttons for 10 seconds until the screen goes black, then reboot. If this doesn't work, check your phone's buttons to ensure they're functioning properly. You can also use Android repair software for a quick fix, which can resolve system issues like being stuck in recovery mode, black screens, or app crashes. Here are the steps to exit recovery mode on an Android phone via this software. Step 1. Launch the program on the computer and connect your Android using a working USB cord. Then choose the System Repair option. Step 2. Tap on the Android Repair tab from the left panel, and once done, click the Start icon. Then select your device's info, and hit the Next and Confirm icons. Step 3. Enter the download mode according to the tutorial on the interface. Tap Next to start the recovery process. After finishing, your Android device will exit the Android recovery mode.